Here's some good news for if you live in Massachusetts. Massachusetts House of Representatives just passed a law to allow driver's licenses to undocumented people living in Massachusetts. It has to pass the Senate in Massachusetts, which it's expected to do. The Senate is Democrat. It's expected to be signed by the governor of Massachusetts. Massachusetts is now going to join New York as another state.
Yeah. Is that the second one then?
There's other states as well, but New York is the most liberal. There's other states. They say you can get a license as an undocumented immigrant, but it's very difficult. New York, there's no questions asked. Now Massachusetts, no questions asked.
Okay.
And Massachusetts State Representative Andy Vargas says this is not a giveaway to undocumented people. This is a public safety bill. It's about making sure we keep all our communities safe, that we have drivers who are licensed.
I like that.
That go through the right process, and we have drivers who have insurance.
Yes.
God forbid they get into an accident.
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with rewarding or not rewarding. This has to do with public safety. And he happens to be right.
Absolutely.
Okay, people are going to drive no matter what. How many people come to me like, Brad, I have this international driver's license I'm driving on. Well, guess what? That's no good anyway. You're basically having an international driver's license is like driving with no license.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter. You're going to get a ticket. You're going to get arrested for driving without a license.
Being from Southern California, LA in particular, we have a lot of undocumented people that drive illegally, and I've had friends and family that got into really bad accidents where they just fled because they don't have insurance, and that's like not okay. So I like this. I like the fact that they're like, hey, you can get the license, you can get the insurance, because we got to do it the right way.
That's right.
And it really hurts a lot of people, when you get into accidents and there's nothing you can do about it. So I like that.
So now Massachusetts is going to allow you to show 2 forms of ID, one of which has to be a valid foreign passport, though.
Okay.
All right. So that's good news for people in
really
Massachusetts.
Good. I feel like that should be everywhere then.
It should be, but
with that reasoning.
Because they're going to be here.
Because it protects us.
The undocumented immigrants are going to be here no matter what.
Right.
They're going to drive no matter what.
Right.
Especially in rural areas. Outside of New York City, to get anywhere, you got to get into a car.
Yeah.
Okay. So people are driving with or without licenses. They're driving with or without insurance. So at least this allows people to drive legally.
Yeah.
And get a license and prove to the state that you know how to drive, and also have insurance.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.